How to fit earmuffs correctly. OSHA requires employers to implement a hearing conservation program whenever workers' noise exposure equal or exceed an 8-hour TWA sound level of 85 dBA in general industry or 90 dBA in construction. When selecting the best earmuffs for your application, consider the noise levels and your need to communicate with your peers or hear work warning signals. Avoid overprotection in environments where noise is minimal. Honeywell offers different models of passive earmuffs. Headband, folding, multiple position, cap mounted, neckband. Select an earmuff is not enough to be protected, is necessary to equip workers with the knowledge necessary to safeguard themselves. Earmuff fitting instructions. Headband. Place ear cups over each ear. Adjust the headband by sliding the headband up or down. Folding. Fold out the ear cups as shown. Place ear cups over each ear. Adjust the headband by sliding the headband up or down. Multiple position. Place ear cups over each ear. Adjust the headband by sliding the headband up and down. Multiple position earmuffs can be worn over the head, behind the head or under the chin. When the earmuff is worn with the headband behind the head or under the chin, the headband strap must be attached to the slot in the upper part of the ear cup as shown. Cap mounted. Attach adapters to each side of the hard hat by sliding them into the slots. Attach each earmuff into its adapter by sliding the earmuff housing down into the adapter. Ensure a proper fit by firmly pushing down on the ear cup until you hear it click into place. Ensure that the earmuff is firmly fastened by lifting the arm attachment up and down. Neckband. Adjust the length of the headband strap between the ear cups so the earmuff fits well on top of the head. Place ear cups over each ear. Do's and don'ts of Howard Late earmuffs. Firm seal. Do seal the cushions firmly against the head. Avoid obstructions. Do not allow hair to obstruct the ear or the earmuff's secure fit in any way. Cover ear completely. The position of the ear cup should never be crooked or askew over the ear. Thank you for watching.